Hey Leslie. So I'm just going to show you real quick how the category stuff works. So you'll notice these are the list of posts, and you'll see that the categories right here are listed in this third column. And so in order to just change or move around if the data's wrong, or if you prefer to have something just in e-news and not in events or vice versa, you just have to edit the category section and it'll only show up on the page that is specified. So in order to do that, you just click right here and if you hover under the post name, you'll either get the edit or the quick edit. You can actually change the categories just by clicking on the quick edit. So let's do that with this one right here. Just click on quick edit. You'll see there are a number of variables you can change. But right here is the category section we'll be working with. So we're going to change this so it just shows up in the events section. So I'm going to click off e-news. I'm going to deselect 2019 news, and we'll see events is still here. So we're just going to click on the blue update button, and that's all there is to it. You'll see that change is reflected here in the third column, and now this will only show up in the event section. So the more content we get, particularly we could change this out so there might be additional categories, so people could maybe search from January 12th celebrations, and so forth. I'll show you one more time here. So this is a project, so it's probably more appropriate to go under news. But please go ahead and change these to whatever you feel is appropriate. I'm just going to go on quick edit here. I'm going to take this out of events. So I'm just going to scroll down here, click on events, so it's no longer going to show up there. I also have the option of just tagging content, which is another way to browse the blog. You can click on items that are tagged and it'll show all the posts that are tagged with that particular item. Anyway, this is all set. I'm going to click on update. You can also change the published date here using the quick edit. I'll just show that again. So if this date is incorrect or you'd like to alter where it sorts, so for example, if we had an item that was listed as September 1st, that would show up before the September 9th date. You could change that here just by using the drop downs and or changing the number here. We're going to put 02 just as a change. That'll just won't reflect anything different. And so there you go. If you ever wanted to, within a post, you can also add additional categories. I'm going to just show you real quick here. Let's use, this one's got all of them. So I'm going to click on actually go into the post and I'm going to edit it. Click on edit. So you'll see the title and all the content here. If you scroll down, you'll also see the categories section. So you can also add new categories just by clicking on add new category. You've got a drop down. You can select the parent category. For example, if we were going to add a 2009 e-news section, we would click e-news as the parent category and then type in 2000, 2008 or 2009 e-news and just click on the add new category button. Actually, I'll do that right now. We won't put it in that because it's not relevant, but you'll see it should, there we go. Okay. So right now it's in events. And if you scroll up, you'll see 2009, 2019. For some reason, this isn't reflecting the parent structure. Like 2010 should obviously be under e-news, but it's just a little trick of technology. It will work on the in the category section, but I'm going to just unclick those and we'll just have this in the events section. So we're all set. Category is correct, and I'm just going to click on update. Great, so if you want to add that back into eNews, you can again just go here or click on the quick edit under the post name. I'm also just going to show you real quick another way to look at categories under the all post section categories. These are all the categories we have right now. And you can easily edit these by just clicking on edit. Maybe I have a typo in here that I need to correct. This won't change anything that is already selected, posts that are assigned to this category. You can change the name without changing any of the posts that are associated with it. So I would just make whatever changes I need, click on update. I'm just going to use my back button here since I'm not making any changes. Yeah, you can, let's see, quick edit. Obviously, you can select the parent category when you click on edit, or if you just want to add a new category, you do it here in the left-hand corner. So 2008 eNews. The slug you can leave blank. The parent category would be eNews. And the description is optional, just for some themes might show the description. So I would just click on add new category. Great, and there it is right here, 2008 eNews. And you'll see that the 2009 eNews that I added previously also shows up here. So there, that's all there is to it.